Good morning, dear students. Welcome to today's class. So, in the previous class, I have taught you about the prominent latitude and longitude. Yes. Can you tell me which is the prominent or the longest latitude? Yes, very good. So that is equator. Yes. So equator, it is the longest and the most important latitude. Yes. So as we know, our earth is round and the equator, it is also called the great circle. Yes. And these are the some imaginary lines that are drawn halfway between the north pole and the south pole. Yes. And these lines divides the earth into two halves. Yes. So in this class we are going to discuss about the equatorial forest region. Okay. So let us discuss about the equatorial forest region. Yes. Yes. As the region, it extends on the both side of the equator. Yes. So that is called as equatorial region. That is, equator is a 0-degree line. Yes. So this equator, it is also called as equatorial region. Yes. And it is mostly found between 10-degree north and 10-degree south latitude. Yes. So you can observe here the green shaded area, that is the equator region. So it shows the equator forest region. Yes. So it is found between 10-degree north and the 10 degrees south of latitudes. Yes. And it is very hottest part of the earth because sun rays are directly on this area. So that's why it is very hottest part of the earth, and that's why it receives the direct rays of the sun and heavy rainfall throughout the year. Yes. So the equatorial region, it receives the direct rays of the sun, and that's why the particular area, that is the equatorial region, it gets a heavy rainfall throughout the year. Yes. And some of the largest rivers in the world flow through this belt, that is the equatorial region. Yes. And that are extremely heavy rainfall. Yes. So we can observe here the Congo river. Yes. The Congo river, it is very deepest river in the world, that is in Africa continent. Yes. And it is also called Zaire. Yes. So Congo river, it is also known as Zaire river. Yes. And it is the most powerful river in Africa and has around 40 hydropower plants across it. Yes. So this is the importance of this river, that is the Congo river. The Congo river, it is also known as Zaire river. Yes. Next one is the giant Golith tiger fish. Yes. The giant Golith tiger fish, so it is very huge fish with dagger like teeth. Yes, you can observe here the teeth of fish, and it is the only fish that also eats baby crocodiles. Yes. So it is only one of the fish, so it eats the baby of crocodiles. Yes. And it is found in the Congo river basin. Yes. And next one is the anaconda. Yes. So it is the largest and heaviest snake in the world. Yes. So anaconda, it is very important snake, and it is very largest as well as heaviest snake in the world, and it is found along the banks of the Amazon river. Yes. So it will found in the Amazon river basin area. Okay. And it is non venomous, and but it kills by suffocating its prey to death. Yes. Next one is the Amazon river. Yes. So the Amazon, It is the second longest river in the world, and it is the home of some of the deadliest creatures, including electric eels, fish eating and fish eating piranhas, and poison dart frogs. So these are the creatures that are found in Amazon river. Yes, so Amazon, it is the second longest river. Yes, can you tell me which is the longest river? Yes, very good, that is the Nile river. It is the longest river. Yes, then after Amazon river, it is the second longest river in the world. Yes, next so these countries lie in equatorial regions across three continents. Yes, so in the equatorial regions there are so many countries. Let us see which are that countries. Okay, so in the South America, yes, so which are the prominent countries that lies in the or that across equatorial line? Okay, in the South America, yes, so this is a South America. Yes, so South America, there is a Ecuador country is there, Colombia and Brazil. Yes, so these countries are found in the equatorial region, and these countries are known as the Amazon basin. Yes, let us discuss about Africa. Yes, so this is the Africa continent. Yes, so in the Africa there is a Liberia, Ivory Coast, Ghana, Nigeria, Guinea, Congo. These are the prominent countries where the equatorial region crosses. Yes, and this is known as the Congo or Zaire. Next one is Southeast Asia. Yes, in the Southeast Asia, Malaysia country is there, the Indonesian group of Iceland is there, and southern island of the Philippines. Yes, so these are the three continents where the equatorial region crosses. Okay, first one is South America, another one is Africa, last one is Southeast Asia. Okay, next point is climate. Yes, yes, as the region lies along the equator, similarly the sun's rays are direct throughout the year, and that's why the climate is very hot. Yes, and there is a very little temperature variations, and it is more or less the same all year around. Yes, and air temperature varies between 30 to 35 degree Celsius. Yes, and there is no winter season. Yes, so this is the importance of equatorial region. Yes, because there is no winter season, because the sun's rays, they are very direct on this region. That's why there is no winter season. Yes, so the climate, that is the temperature, it varies between 30 degree to 35 degree Celsius. Yes, and as the temperature remains very high and the sun's rays are intense, and there is a heavy rate of evaporation from the lush forest and the water bodies. Yes, so you can observe here, so warm air, it arises and that turns into clouds, and it is also very helpful to the rain. Yes, that's why the rate of the evaporation is very high. Yes, and the air is always damp and humid. Yes, so the air, it includes the warm air because the sun rays are direct throughout the year. Yes, and the equatorial regions, the land and the water heat approximately the same rate. Yes, the hot air expands and rises till it meets the cooler upper air. Yes, so warm air, it rises till it meets the cooler upper air. Yes, and then it condenses and form clouds. Yes, so warm air, it rises till it meets to the cold air, and that warm air, it turns into or it is very helpful for forms clouds, and by late afternoon the sky becomes cloudy. Yes, so in the afternoon the sky becomes cloudy, and overcast, and this result is heavy rainfall and mostly accompanied by thunder and lightning. Yes, so the heaviest rainfall will occur in this region, and this rain is unique to the equatorial region, and it is called tea time rain or 4 o'clock rain. Yes, and days and nights are almost of equal length throughout the year. So this is the climate of equatorial regions. Okay, so thank you for watching video. Okay, in the next class I will explain the remaining chapter. Okay, thank you.